Hello, how is everyone doing? I received many questions from you guys asking for a platform through which you can dropship in the USA with fast delivery, because all other platforms like CJ Dropshipping, DSers, USAdrop, and others have quite late delivery and many tracking issues. Because when you processed any order, tracking wasn't possible, and even if it wasn't very smooth, right? And one thing that happened was that you guys would place an order and make the payment, but your order wouldn't get processed. Sometimes, people message me many times saying that we have made the payment, but our order wasn't processed. So today, I am going to tell you about a platform through which you won't face any such issues, okay? The name of this platform is USAdrop Dropshipping and Pod. This is a platform through which, if you do dropshipping, you will have fast delivery in any country, right? Especially in the US, they will deliver your order within 2 to 5 days, and if your product is coming from China, it will take 10 to 12 days. Otherwise, if you choose a US warehouse, your order will be delivered within 2 to 5 days. And besides that, they have some key features. They are offering 1 million products on their platform and on-demand sourcing within 24 hours, okay? If there is any product that is not available on their platform, you request them to source that product for you, and they will make it available for you within 24 hours, right? If you install their app in your Shopify store, a dedicated agent will be assigned to you, who will handle product sourcing for you and also sort out all your customer support-related requests, right? Furthermore, it is so easy to use that you can import their products into your Shopify store with one click, and there is auto inventory sync, okay? If their product inventory decreases or increases, it will automatically reflect in your store as well based on the available stock, okay? Apart from that, their warehouses are located in the US and in China, okay? Deliveries from the China warehouse will arrive to you in 10 to 12 days, and for the US, your order will be delivered within 2 to 5 days, with real-time tracking, unlike other platforms where tracking isn't perfect. Okay, you can't track orders properly elsewhere, but they offer real-time tracking. And if you work with them and want to do private labeling, you can easily do so because they provide you with a custom packaging option. If you do private labeling, your box or parcel will have your brand name on it, and there is no minimum quantity requirement to start. You can place as few orders as you want, whether it's 1, 2, or 3. If you scroll down, you'll see they have 3 plans, including one free plan. If you are a starter, meaning you have just launched your store and are using it, then the best plan for you is to use the free plan. Okay, the only issue you'll face is that you'll get limited access to their products, meaning you can only import a limited number of items. But if your store is running well and you are growing nicely, you can use their Pro plan. It gives you unlimited products, plus thank you cards, custom branding, tax solutions, and all those things. And if you want even more features, you can use their Plus plan, okay, which is $45, or basically $46 per month. The Pro plan is $30 per month, and their free plan offers limited features, but it is still the best for you to get started. Okay, and besides that, even if you take their free plan, they will still assign you an agent who will handle all your custom support service requests and resolve them for you. Furthermore, here's their website, where they have mentioned quite a lot of things in detail, which you can read. Here, their web domain is named USAdrop.com. And if you come down here, they have mentioned all their key features on their website as well. For instance, they have fulfilled over 80 million orders that have been delivered. Their daily order capacity is 79K. They have mentioned 1 million products again, and they have 40K plus active Shopify users. 40,000 Shopify users are actively working with them. Coming down further, they have mentioned their partners and trending products are posted here. Right? Top trending products this week. The top trending products of the week are mentioned here. And besides that, the partners are mentioned below, showing who they are working with and why to choose USAdrop. They have mentioned all the key features again right here. There is also a partner directory here, showing who the partners are, and all those things. And the best thing is that this platform is based in the USA, okay? A platform based in the USA will obviously deliver your orders in the USA as quickly as possible. And apart from that, you will find my unique affiliate link in the description of this video. If you sign up through it, you will get a significant discount on their plans, and if you mention my name while making any request to their customer support service, your issue will be resolved as quickly as possible. And I am going to create a complete course related to their platform, in which I will show you how you can install their app into your Shopify store, how you will import products to your store, if you get an order then how to process that order, and how to track it. I will explain everything in detail in this complete course. So, God willing, the next video will be out in 2 to 3 days, and in it, I will show you how you can install their app, integrate it with your store, import products, and much more. I hope you liked the video. We will meet in the next video, God willing. Until then, goodbye.